3 ways to make Pisces zodiac sign love you. If you are standing in a relationship with Pisces personality and wanting to make him or her fall into you, stay tuned, because in today's video I'm gonna give you 3 simple and the best pieces of advice on how to conquer a heart of Pisces astrological sign as quickly as possible. But before I will tell you how to make him or her interested in you, I just want you to know some obvious things about Pisces. Things which can help you to understand these people better. Because even if you are familiar with this zodiac sign for a long time, it doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be able to make Pisces personality fall in love with you. The majority of us think that we know our friends and soulmates who were born under the sign of Pisces from A to Z, but it's far from being true. Because this zodiac sign is quite moody, changeable and literally sly personality. Personality who possess some kind of magic when it comes to communication with other people. Pisces amazingly know a human psychology. That's why they always know how to behave properly in order to make others fall into them. But what to do if it is you who is going to win the heart of Pisces? Here are my 3 tips. Tip number 1. Among all other zodiac personalities, Pisces is the only who is considered weak, helpless and diffident. So you can get a real benefit from it. I mean, if you are a self-confident, strong and probably rich personality, that's what can open the door to your success on the way of Pisces sign seduction. Now you can say like, what are you talking about? Each of us wants to have the strongest and richest partners for love. Yes, it's true, but Pisces people aren't used to demonstrate it openly. It is you who have to show your best sides for making an impression on them. But if you don't, they will continue living like they lived before. Being happy with everything at the current moment, showing a compassion to everything and everyone without asking anything in return. Finding the answers to the questions which others cannot find. That's exactly how single Pisces live in a daily life. But if you can offer your shoulder and reliance in a difficult moment, it can be the first way to make your Pisces soulmate to fall in love with you. After all, somewhere deeply inside he or she is expecting help and attention from you. So keep this in mind and use this as a tool of influence on your friend. Tip number 2. If you really want to keep your Pisces attracted to you, then try to be more sweet and romantic. Relationships with flowers, classic walks under the moon at hot summer night, all this matter when you date a Pisces sign. As a rule, this personality likes a lot of new emotions and life experience. If you have a bit of creativity in your head, understanding how not to be boring to your soulmate, then he or she will definitely appreciate your extraordinary deeds. Pisces zodiac sign is very delicate and perceptive persona with incredible memory. If you did something really valuable or even disgusting, your lovely friend will never forget it. That's why it's always necessary to have a special approach to such moody and sensitive people like Pisces. But if you fall once, you will have to put a lot of efforts in order to prove your innocence and smooth over contradictions in your relationship. In other words, Pisces men and women can be like little kids with capricious character. If you don't give them a candy, they will start crying. So, try to choose the right position in your relations. Otherwise, you will struggle. Tip number 3. In comparison with other zodiac signs, Pisces is a person with a lot of interest and brilliant ideas for living a happy life. That's why if you have something common, I mean, if your hobbies and tastes coincide, then you can both achieve great results in your relationships. If I were you and if I wanted to make Pisces to fall in love with me, I would definitely try to know what he or she does in a daily life before we start dating and living together. So feel free to do the same. If you really want to conquer a heart of your Pisces friend, no matter it is man or woman, just don't be persistent and don't show your serious intentions, because it can push him or her away. As a rule, Pisces personality needs to have enough space and time for analyzing a lot of things, especially when it comes to personal relationships. However, it doesn't mean that you have to wait that beautiful day when he or she will come to you first and say, I feel good with you, I want you to be my boy or girlfriend. No, don't expect it. Instead of hoping to see the initiative from such an insecure persona like Pisces is, just go ahead, flirt, make compliments and have fun together. Being active, sincere and tactful while having to deal with Pisces astrological sign, that's what can make him or her to fall in love with you.